Here's a 2022 Chevrolet Tahoe. This award-winning SUV is where premium style and purposeful capability collide. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. V8 engine, heated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, auto-dimming rear view mirror, dual zone climate control, Wi-Fi hotspot, streaming audio, hands-free liftgate, memory exterior door mirror settings, and automatic transmission. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. The time is now. See it for yourself today.